It's Monday and it's a public holiday here. I've been working and running around and doing all sorts of stuff. Now I'm going to sit in the sunshine and have a gin and tonic. Kind of feels like the last chance to enjoy the sun before the summer ends here in Australia. So I'm going to chill out this evening and then back to sewing tomorrow. This week's going to be really busy. I've got the Handmade Market this weekend and a million things to do for that. I've got orders to work on, videos to film, so another crazy week. But for tonight, gin and tonics in the sunshine. This is Chicken. Hello. Hey, Bubbles. You're not Bubbles. You're not Bubbles. Bubbles. It's Tuesday evening already. This week is just going by in the blink of an eye. Yesterday was a public holiday, and even though I was working for most of the day, I still keep thinking today's Monday and I've still got one extra day this week, which I could really use because I've got so much to do. So I've just filmed tomorrow's video because I have to sew all day tomorrow, and now I have to go and get it edited and uploaded overnight so it's ready to share tomorrow evening. And then I've still got, a ton of sewing. I've got to film Sunday's video, and then I've got to get ready for the Handmade Market this weekend, which I'm really excited about. I will try and film and vlog as much as I can, but it's going to be hectic, absolutely hectic. I spent some of this afternoon editing some of the behind the scenes footage from our sunset photo shoot for the Just Be Revolution, the Fashion Rebellion last week, and that's looking super cool. James has just sent me the drone footage, so I'm going to put that in. So if I get time after I've edited this tonight, I might spend half an hour just finishing that off because I can't wait to share that. I can't wait for people to see what we got up to. I can't believe it's Thursday afternoon already. Yesterday and this morning just disappeared. Yesterday I was sewing all day, and then in the evening I had loads of emails and uploads and just catching up on comments and stuff to do. And then suddenly it was 10:30 p.m. Had a quick break and chilled out, went to bed, and then I couldn't sleep because my head was just full of all the stuff that I've got to do. I'm a really terrible sleeper at the best of times. I'm such a light sleeper. I wake up at anything and it takes me ages to get to sleep. But when I'm really busy and when there's loads going on, it's even worse because I'm just worried that I'm going to forget to do something, or just lie there thinking about everything that I've got to do, which is ridiculous, and counting down the hours until the alarm goes off. So today I'm really tired. I spent the morning online doing stuff I needed to get done. I've got the behind the scenes video from the photo shoot ready to share tonight. That's all scheduled to share on the Just Be page and the Rockstars Multi page. I'm really excited to see what people's reaction is to that, and we're asking people to comment on the posts with why they think we need a fashion rebellion. So I'm really looking forward to seeing if we get some interaction and see what people want to see changed in the fashion and beauty industry. So that's going to be really cool. And right now I'm about to film my rock top frock for Sunday because I've got to film that and edit it today because I'm at Handmade all weekend, so this is the only chance I've got to do it. Yeah, I need more days in this week, I really do. It's super early on Saturday morning and I'm off to set up for the Handmade Market. I've got a car full of stuff, my husband's got a car full of stuff, he's already gone up to start setting up and I'm following 10 minutes behind. So it's Sunday evening and I'm home and mostly unpacked from the Handmade Market, and it was a weird weekend actually. Yesterday I didn't have a great day. So yeah, last night I came home and I went back into that negative space in my head. I was really tired, hadn't made many sales, and yeah, just really negative. So today was loads better. It was a lot busier. My jewellery mystery bags just didn't work, though people weren't interested. I think maybe it'd been too long since I sold jewellery at the market for people to remember what my style was, maybe what was in there. So we ended up splitting open the bags and putting stuff on the table and just selling it cheap, and we got rid of loads that way. So that was a way better way to go. So got rid of lots of jewellery stock, which helps free up some space. And I've got the open studio next weekend too, so hopefully that will shift some more of it as well. Yeah, I'm just going to finish unpacking and tidying, and then I can chill out for a little bit before heading straight into Monday and another busy week. So never ending, but I'm not complaining because I love it. I really love it. And thank you to everyone who came to see me at Handmade. Thank you to everyone who bought stuff. I talked to loads of people about the customizable collection as well, and I can see straight away that the views on my website, the number of people visiting the website has gone up last night and tonight. So people are going and looking at the website, which is really cool. So let's see if it brings some new orders for me. That would be brilliant. And I forgot what I was going to say. So tired. The upcycled stuff went really well. The jackets, all my upcycled jackets were really popular. So definitely going to start doing some more of those. And I told loads of people about the YouTube channel too. So hello to everyone I met at the market who's come here to watch my YouTube videos, and thanks for joining me. If you've got any requests, let me know, and come and join my Facebook group if you're new here too. I'll put a link in the description. It's a place to carry on the conversations that are started here about upcycling, sewing, shopping mindfully, shopping differently, wearing your clothes more than once, being yourself, all of that, all in one group. So come and join us.